And yes, we go back to the pictures and the details coming in on the meeting that happened in the national capital between NCP Chief Sharad Pawar and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. NCP Chief Sharad Pawar has also written a letter to the Union Home Minister. We've put out a copy of that letter on our screens, and my colleague Piyush and Ranjan will join us shortly to give us more details of what exactly is mentioned in this letter to the Home Minister. Remember, NCP Chief Sharad Pawar has written this letter to Amit Shah. Parallelly, he's also had a meeting with Amit Shah. We are trying to get more details of what was discussed between the two leaders and what's this letter all about. Piyush, I believe, is live with us on the broadcast. Piyush, firstly, what was discussed between the two letters and between the two leaders, and give us operative parts of the letter written by Sharad Pawar to Amit Shah.
It was a big meet which took place inside the parliament between two big leaders of two different political parties. And remember that this meeting is taking place on the same day when there was a meeting of opposition political parties also in the morning with Rahul Gandhi. And now Sharad Pawar is meeting with Amit Shah, and this meeting went on for around 20 minutes. What we are also going to understand is that the issues those were discussed were of the Ministry of Cooperation, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi had formed this ministry on the same day when cabinet reshuffle had taken place, and Home Minister Amit Shah was given the responsibility of that. So issues which we are given to understand those were discussed were about the Ministry of Cooperation, and some issues those were concerning the state of Maharashtra. A letter has also been written by Sharad Pawar in this regard to Union Home Minister Amit Shah. We'll have to wait and watch as to what all issues will be taken up in the coming few days meetings with the government, because Sharad Pawar is not only meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, but in couple of days back he also had a meet with Union Minister Nitin Gadkari. So he is nowadays meeting with ministers and raising the issues concerning the state of Maharashtra. And this meet went on for at least 20 minutes inside the parliament between Sharad Pawar and Amit Shah.
I'm going to read you this letter that we have accessed right here by Sharad Pawar. It says, I am forwarding a letter addressed to you by Shri Jaiprakash Dandegaonkar, President of the National Federation of Cooperative Sugar Factories. He says that the body is an apex federal body representing 259 cooperative sugar mills and 9 state cooperative sugar federations across India. Myself and office bearers of the federation would like to have a courtesy call on you on the 2nd, 3rd or 4th of August 2021 as per your convenience to discuss issues related to sugar pricing and the ethanol blending program. I will be happy if you could give me an appointment on any of the above mentioned dates. With regard, sincerely, Sharad Pawar. So here is the letter that has been sent that we have accessed. We are putting it up right now on republicworld.com, and here is then the letter that Sharad Pawar says he is forwarding. So it is addressed to Amit Shah. The subject is urgent issues confronting the cooperative sugar sector. So this is to add to what we know about the meeting so far, what was discussed, that issues relating to sugar were spoken about. And then it goes on to detail it gives a premise on the country's prevailing sugar scenario. Here it is, the country's current sugar scenario. It speaks about the urgent issues that need to be discussed. The sugar minimum selling price, the MSP for sugar. Remember, sugar also has an MSP. And then it proceeds to detail the ethanol blending program. This is the second topic that they're speaking about, the ethanol blending program. And also makes mention of the national biofuel policy, and there is the signatory of the letter. So here, Suyesha, is the letter that Sharad Pawar has forwarded regarding the sugar issues that the country faces, as written to him by a sugar production federation. Back to you, Suyesha.